7 years old ka na, anak. So, magiging mas matured ka na, mas malawak yung isip, at mas mabait, 'di ba? So, I'm always be here for you to support you hanggang sa pagtanda mo. Ibibigay ko sa iyo ang best ko. Matapang ako sa lahat ng bagay, sa lahat ng aspect para sa iyo. So, you mean to me a lot. And you are my treasure in this world. I love you so much, anak. Happy birthday, and I love you so much. So your tita and tita, they also have message for you. So you will see. I love you. You are my treasure in this world, and I always here for you to support you. No matter what happened, anak, there's no words can express how much I love you.
Hi baby Jade, happy 7th birthday sa iyo baby. Ang bilis ng panahon. Ngayon 7th birthday mo na. Wish ko sa iyo na lumaki ka ng mabait na bata at makatapos ka ng pag-aaral para magkaroon ka ng magandang buhay. Lagi mo tatandaan baby na mahal ka ni daddy. Ikaw lang ang pinaka mahalaga sa buhay ko. I love you so much. Alagaan mo palagi ang sarili mo. I will do everything na ibigay ko lahat ng pangailangan mo to give you a good education and happy life. Happy birthday. Mahal na mahal kita baby. I love you.
Happy birthday Jade. Sana maging mabuti kang bata paglaki. Masunod rin sa mami. Lagi mo siyang babantayan, lagi mo siyang alagaan, saka maging matapang katulad niya. And lagi ka sanang healthy. Mag-aral ka mabuti, sana matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo. I love you, happy birthday.
Hi Jade, si Tito Roman mo to, and gusto lang kitang batiin ng happy birthday, and sana magiging safe ka parate, and please enjoy your day at parati kang makikinig sa magulang mo ha. Happy birthday ulit.
Hi Jade! Happy birthday! Sana lumaki kang matalino, mabait at maganda kagaya ng mami mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday Jade! 7 taon ka na. Mag-aral mabuti. Love you! Birthday, love you!
Happy birthday Jade!
Sana lumaki kang hindi makulit and surround yourself with good people.
Galingan mo pa sa school kasi yan ang para sa future mo at para sa future ng mama mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Jade!
Happy birthday po, Ate Jade. Sana po mag-aral ka po mabuti at hindi na po tayo mag-aaway pag naglalaro po tayo. Lagi po!
Hi Jade! Happy birthday! How are you? I hope to see you soon, bebe. We love you so much. Stay pretty and be healthy. Sana maging matatag ka pa. Mag-aral ka lang na mabuti. We love you!
Day po, Jade. Sana po mag-aral ka po mabuti. Bukas po magkikita tayo.
Happy birthday, Jade!
Oh my God, these feelings just begun. I'm saying things I've never said, doing things I've never done. Oh my God, when I see you I shoot it right. But I'm frozen in motion and my head tells me to stop. Feelings I feel about us. Try to fight it but it's never enough. My heart is hurting, it's more than a crush. Cause I'm frozen in motion and my head tells me to stop. But my heart goes but my heart goes